Our yard has a natural grade or inclination towards to the back corner of the property line. A lot of consumers will want to fill in that area at significant cost and flatten this out. Instead, our design has taken into account that natural character of the land. We went down to that virgin or in situ soil. We amended and compacted it. We put in a geotextile fabric. On top of that, we built a base of 57 stone, 3/4 inch clean material. Top of that, we put another layer of geotextile fabric. That will segregate our bedding layer of 1/4 inch clean number 8 stone, so there'll be no migration over time. All that gives me a great foundation for this sunken fire pit area I'm standing in. Following the natural grade of the property, we're working from our feature wall, which is our 3.5 inch raffinado block in a beige cream color. That's going to be a great back to our seating area, which is our borealis tread. That's 6 inches tall and 16 inches deep. We laid it in a stack bond pattern. Below that, we have our 7 inch polished textured raffinado, again in beige cream. You can see that on the opposite side. And then on top, our borealis step 6x16. We did something a little different here to complement that. We used our borealis wall in 3 courses in a broken bond pattern, and we used that in our hazelnut brandy color. Now, to make sure that this is a safe wall, we've used these epoxy rebar pins. We've inserted them into the wall with a hammer drill, and we epoxy coated them to make sure that they're in and safe. So there's no concern on this wall when you're leaning against it. This entire area is framing what will be the highlight of our sunken fire pit. The borealis cut down from 48 inches to 36 inches in a broken bond, stack bond pattern around with a heat shield installed. We'll have drainage in the center. This will be a great fire pit. We've taken it a step further and we've installed this blade wall. Its outside dimensions are also 44 inches. This eventually will be capped and be a great coffee table area. Now, the product I'm standing on is our blue polished grande units, and it's in a gray nickel color, a little contrast of color. The pattern we chose is a stack bond pattern that will complement our pool deck and eventual porch area on top. We just have a few more cuts and a couple of more units to lay, and this will give the consumers a great experience in the evening hours. You ready? Up.